The husband, the child, and the four-legged child and I are going to be going on vacation. Come with us and see how I maintain my health and wellness even while on vacation. So yesterday was travel day, so I spent many hours in the car, 6 hours in the car, and we did do a fair amount of boredom eating in the car, so it was definitely a calorie surplus day yesterday. Today, I'm going to be more mindful in terms of calorie intake and expenditure. Right now, I'm walking uphill, and I'm going to be starting a run here pretty quick so that I can burn off some of those extra calories. We're having a great time, family time. So I ran 2 miles uphill, level grade, downhill. My rate was not consistent, as you might imagine, because it was actual outdoor terrain, but about 2 miles. So that's about 200 to 250 calories because of the grade. I had 600 calories for breakfast, so I'm doing good for today. Another day on vacation. I had about 500 calories for breakfast, and I've just burned about 250 calories in walking, running, uphill, downhill. The great thing about aerobic activity is it increases your basal metabolic rate, which means that even at rest you will burn more calories faster than if you did not do aerobic activity.